Kristina here in my garden, Northwest Grubbies. I've just spent the past few days out in my garden unwinding from the vibration of fear that's been so intense in the nation in the past few weeks. Fear and rage and grief and yeah, and the garden is such a place of solace for me. It's a place where I can put down my roots, which is one of the fear melters that Katie Hendricks has introduced to us, the concept of rooting to stop ourselves from fleeing. You know, I noticed that one of the places I flee to when I'm scared is what if. I literally make up movies of what if this had happened, or what if I was there, or what if this happens, and I get, you know, my nervous system gets all wound up when I do that. And literally it's taken me several days of conscious rooting to, you know, wipe that slate of made-up movies out of my mind and calm myself with the realization that, I'm here, safe in this moment, with Mother Nature supporting me. I can feel my roots energetically moving down through my feet into the ground and out into the garden to intermingle with the energy of all the other roots out here. So I'm grateful for rooting. I hope that this is helpful for you.